Replacement trimmer number 30 fine cut blade is designed for Wahl's MiniArco Trimmer, model number 8787450A. Ideal for trimming the face, feet, paws, and ears of dogs, cats, and other pets. Easy to use, quick detachable blade with a chrome finish to help resist rust and corrosion. Includes one replacement blade for use only with the Wahl MiniArco Trimmer, available separately, backed by Wahl's 30-day satisfaction. Wahl performs quality assurance on all of our products, and small bits of synthetic hair may appear on the blade or clipper as a result of this process. Rest assured that your clipper and blade are brand new. Age range description: all life stages. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent. I have used the Wahl Professional products for years and they stand up to the test of time. I only use the Wahl Blades and have excellent results with them. I have 2 miniature Schnauzers and I clip them about every 2 to 3 months and I get a good full year or a little longer out of one blade, so I do not think that is bad. Lastly, they are cheaper on here than at the 2 local pet stores.